As a CMA, once you pass, your opportunities in the corporate market increases substantially. And not just the demand, there is a paycheck also that you can expect after passing the CMA exam. The CMA USA course is conducted by more than 100 years old organization called the Institute of Management Accountants, a US body. This entire course is divided into two parts, part 1 and part 2. You can write exam for either of the parts at your choice. Both the parts have in total 6 sections. So part 1 has total A to F 6 sections, and part 2 also has exactly the same number of sections. The total passing percentage for this exam is 360 out of 500, which means you must score 72% passing percentage, which does not equalize to mean that out of 100 questions, 72 questions should be correct, because there is a scale system of examination, and based on the difficulty level of the paper, your score is determined. Which in simple words means that even if you have got more than approximately 50-55% of the questions right, you can still get more than 72% quite comfortably. The paper is divided into two parts primarily. The first part is the MCQ based window, which gives you 3 hours to complete, and the second part is a essay question, which is an extension of your understanding of MCQs. The best part is the essay question may sound like an essay question, but it is not that descriptive. Your answer should be well within 2 to 3 lines. And it is an extension of MCQ wherein you need to explain your understanding in your own simple words about what you have conceptually understood while solving the MCQs. Another important point about the CMA examination is that these exams are conducted very much in India right now, which was not the case some time back. The examination is conducted in Prometric centers across India, and there are 11 centers currently in India. So you are from north, south, east or west, you will find an examination center very near to your place. In terms of the syllabus, CMA offers an incredible syllabus, and that's why you'll find students who pass their class 12 and somebody who's having 8 to 15 years of professional experience, both are equally interested in this professional course. The corporates and the professionals are interested because they get a 360-degree exposure into the world of accounting, finance, management accounting, auditing, decision making, analysis, budgeting, and more. The students are interested because they have understood that with a plain simple BCom or a BBA degree, life is going to be struggle. And they have prioritized one professional course at least in addition to their BCom or BBA degree. And that's why you'll find most of the tier 1 colleges, the top universities and colleges in India, you will have CMA as an integrated professional course. But here I am going to be talking more about the opportunities. As a CMA, once you pass, your opportunities in the corporate market increases substantially. And not just the demand, there is a paycheck also that you can expect after passing the CMA exam, with job opportunities, job security, and a lot of growth, not just in Indian companies, but across the world. The examination is not that difficult. In fact, as per IMA exam report, each part has more than 55 to 60% passing percentage at a global level. There's no such details given about Indian results, but I can very confidently tell you it has to be much better than the global passing percentage, because whatever you're studying in CMA, you are also using this in real corporate life. And the syllabus is very much aligned to your BCom and BBA syllabus. So you're not going to be studying something completely out of the box. You're studying something at a higher level, at a more corporate level, at a more professional level, but aligned to what you study in your CMA or your BBA course. If you want to know more about this, if you are somebody who's looking at having a complete clarity about your career, I would advise you to attend my Career Clarity webinar where I tell you everything that you must know when you are in confusion or when you want to kickstart your career and take it to a complete new level. Join my webinar and I will give you a complete clarity that you deserve. See you very soon.